Take a ride in the 2019 GMC YUKON XL. GMC YUKON XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, traction control, remote engine start, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, backup camera, DVD system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.